Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi and note the host IP. Enable file sharing on the host, Windows file sharing, SMB, or Mac OS file sharing, so the network advertises your folders. Next, pick the folder you want to share, assign a clear share name, and set user permissions for read or read/write. This controls who can change files. Once done, temporarily disable guest or public access to avoid accidental exposure while you test the connection. Now configure access. Make sure the host firewall allows the chosen sharing protocol and open the SMB port if required. This permits clients to see the share. On the client device, connect using the network path, \IP/share in Windows or SMB, //IP/share in Mac OS/Linux, and mount it in Explorer or Finder. Enter the username and password you set for the share, or create a dedicated share account for easier management. Once mounted, map it as a network drive for persistent access and faster reconnection later. Finish by testing. Transfer a small file to confirm access and measure speed, because Wi-Fi signal and router band affect throughput. Make the share secure. Require passwords, restrict accounts, or use an encrypted protocol like SFTP/FTPS for transfers across segments. If you can't connect, first ping the host to confirm network reachability, then verify both devices are on the same subnet and the firewall or sharing service isn't blocking traffic. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.